welcome to Classic Car Cave. So this video is purely on the tractor, on the David Brown 880 tractor. So it's kind of before and after. It's not completely after because we've got a lot of work to do on the bodywork and stuff. But the difference between when we got it and when we got it and how rusty it was, and stripping it down, sandblasting it, priming it and painting it. And please, if you're a David Brown fan, don't get annoyed or send some derogatory remark because I haven't done it in the colours. The colours of this vehicle would have been, or this tractor would have been, chocolate brown with a white body and white fenders, white wheels. But I really don't like it. And why they changed it, that livery was originally, I think in the early 60s, up to 60, about 63, 64, was red, but not with the white. And I think the red and white looks nicer, but it's my own choice because it's my tractor. So I'm sorry if it doesn't suit everybody. It's not for show, I want to be able to use it and have it as a little bit of a toy as well. So I hope you enjoy the video, and as I say, just for the purist, I'm sorry, but it is what it is, and I like the colours better, the signal red and the old English white together. So there we are. But anyway, enjoy the video, and I'll show you hopefully next week when we get the wheels and tyres back. I'll get the new tyres in. Unfortunately they haven't come in, so I won't be able to put them on. I thought I could put them on Monday or Tuesday, but it looks like it might be midweek. And actually putting them on is going to be a struggle on my own because Amir's not here. He leaves tomorrow, Monday night, or early hours of Tuesday morning. So, I'll persevere and try and get them on so I can show them to you. Anyway, take care. That's the engine and gearbox sandblasted, ready to go. So we're going to do it in a light grey primer and then paint the whole thing in signal red. I believe it's signal red. So the possibility is it's going to rain today, so I'll put the cover back on it. So now we're going to bring the trailer down, take all these wheels, get them sandblasted at his workshop. The front there, the hood, this front loader, and this one here at the back, this one and the two arms. The rams will do separately, and might even take that fuel tank over as well. So it's looking nice, big difference from the way it was. So hopefully we can get some paint on it, maybe even today, possibly some primer, we'll see. So as you saw, it was sandblasted this morning. So just putting the first layer of primer on it, and it's just going to put it up again so you can see this is the sandblasted bit, and you can see the difference with the engine. Look at that, how nice that looks. We'll do it, the manifold will come off, but we can do that in a heat resistant paint if we want to, but it's not important. So we're going to fill up and yeah, but big difference there. I think when the red goes on tomorrow, it'll just really, because it's like really bright signal red. Probably not the right colours, but I don't really give a shit. They look nice. Manchester United colours, or for Amir's Liverpool, it's the same colours. So look at that, look at the difference. So they are, it's all done in the grey primer. Looking nice. So we'll leave it overnight, and then tomorrow we'll do it in the red. That's coming really nice. Look how well you can see those gear sequence. So you've got one, low 1, low 2, high 1, L3, H2, H3, and reverse. So first, second, third, and then there's a high and the low. It's 3 gears, 3-cylinder, 3 gears. Looking good though. Looks real nice. It's come up very well considering. Not great with the colour on it tomorrow. So there it is in the red. I've got brand new. I mean, it's going to try and put some really bad dents in some of these wheels on the rims. I'm trying to heat it up. There's another one over there. But this one's the worst one. So it's quite. I'm going to try and weld something to it and jack it out. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so this stuff was only sandblasted yesterday. I brought it back about 4 o'clock, 4:30. You can see already the rust is already coming back on it. So this is why you really got to do it within the same day. So I'll give it a bit of a wire wheel, just get the worst bits off it, and we'll get this in a primer today. I'm going to now take this and weld it this afternoon, weld it all the way down, make it look a bit nicer. There's a few bits of weld that are missing, sort of there and there, across there. So I'll get all those welded up, and then I'll stick them both in primer, and we're in good condition. So here's just putting primer on the bonnet and stuff. Obviously this has all got to be repaired, but we want to stop it from micro rusting. So he's doing it now. So there's the 2 wheels, they're done in white now. Air filter, that's the dash. The front, you can see, and this needs an awful lot of work, but it'll stop it from getting any worse, rustier. 2 front wheels are done, 2 wings. That's white primer that's on them, it's not the finished white. And again, the 2 side pieces, it's just primers, because obviously we need to rub them back down, you can see. Just quickly put it on. See, all these edges need doing, all these cutouts and so on. So I'll be working on them when he's away, and getting them so we can bolt them back together the way it should be. And hopefully it's Friday, and unfortunately I don't think I don't know if we can take these down or not. What do you think? You think they're dry enough, or they need another coat, don't they? Yeah, a few coats.
Yeah.
So we'll give them a few coats Saturday and Sunday, and then it'll be nice and hard for Monday. And I'll go down and talk to them and see them. The wheels have been knocked out as best we can, but they're not perfect. But it is a tractor after the end. So you can see on these mudguards, there's a lot of work to do. There's quite a few holes here. Particularly on the edge. It gets that edge there. So it's rotten all the way along the bottom there. Like you can see it. Sorry, the camera. I'll move it down. I've got paint on my hands. You can see it right down there. It's got to be repaired down there. Take all this shit off. Just generally tidy them up.